Hello, dear children. Welcome to the English class. This is our English book, Wordsworth English Reader, Book 1. This is the main course book. There is one more book, which is of grammar book. In my first video, we learned the poem Alphabet Song. I tried my level best to recite the poem in the best way I could. I hope you all saw the first video and enjoyed it too. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सबने फर्स्ट वाला इंग्लिश का वीडियो देखा होगा और उसको एंजॉय किया होगा. And I hope you liked it. And by now you all must have learned the poem Alphabet Song. Okay? So today we will recite the poem once and then we will do the exercises. Okay? So first we will recite the poem. A, B, C, D, E. This school is the best place for me. F, G, H, I, J. We will learn and play all day. K, L, M, N, O. Reading, writing, here we go. P, Q, R, S, T. Let us be friends, you and me. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Learning is fun, let us go ahead. And then I also told you that in this poem, along with the alphabets, we also learn the values why we come to school. हम स्कूल क्यों आना पसंद करते हैं वो भी हमने इस पोएम में सीखा. Because when we come to school, we learn so many things. We learn to read, we learn to write, we learn to play, we make so many friends. Okay? And then we have so much of fun in this school. So yesterday I explained in my video what are alphabets. As I told you, alphabet is the group of letters. There are letters in any language and the group of those letters are known as alphabets. Out of 26 alphabets, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. 5 vowels हैं and 21 consonants हैं. Together they make alphabets. Okay? So we learn the vowels also in a sing-song manner. Like there are 5 vowels. They are known as 5 friends. A, E, I, O, U. So you can sing them too. A, E, I, O, U. 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 Okay? Then we did a little exercise. We encircled the vowels and then we wrote the number of consonants. So today, in continuation with this lesson, इस lesson को first poem को continue करते हुए we will proceed today. Today we will do the grammar part of this poem. Grammar Glee. Okay? In Grammar Glee, we will do a and an. Okay? A and an are used when you mean only one of something. For example, a hat, an egg, a butterfly, an owl. A and an को हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं जब हम when we talk of only one noun. A and an are used before nouns. Okay? Nouns के पहले हम a and use करते हैं. Nouns, that is naming words. We all have name. Everything has a name. Because if there is no name, how will you describe something? How will you call out your friends? How will you address your parents? So everything has a name. We all have a name. The things which we use have a name. The things around us have a name. When you sit in the classroom, there are so many things. Table is there, desk is there, bench is there, blackboard is there, door, window, chalk, your friends, your bag. So if these things does not have any name, how will you talk about them? आप कैसे उनके बारे में बात करोगे अगर किसी भी चीज़ का नाम नहीं होगा तो? So all the things which have a name, either we can count them or we cannot count them. There are certain things which we can count and certain things which we cannot count. Okay? So when we talk of only one thing, जब हम सिर्फ किसी एक चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, then we use a or an. For example, here you can see a hat, an egg, a butterfly, an owl. Here hat, egg, butterfly, owl, all these are only one. That is single. So we use a or an before them. Now the question is, where do we use a and where do we use an? Okay? We use an before a word beginning with a vowel. The words which begin with a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U. If any word begins with these alphabets, that is vowels, then we use an before them. And we use a before the words which begin with a consonant. जो words vowel sound से start होते हैं, उनके आगे हम an use करते हैं. And जो word consonant से start होते हैं, we use a before them. So before doing the exercise, I will show you some pictures where we are using a and an. A, an and the. These are known as articles. Here we will do only a and an. अभी हम सिर्फ a and an पढ़ेंगे. Okay? So a and an are known as articles. इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Articles बोलते हैं. Okay? For example, this is a flower. Here you can see only one flower. So this is a flower. A flower. Okay? Only one flower is there. So we say this is a flower. The flower is red. What is the color of the flower? The flower is red. Okay? This is an orange. What is this? This is an orange. Now, with flower, we used a because the word flower starts with a consonant F. So, before flower, we used a. And the word orange starts with a vowel sound O. Orange. So we use an before orange. This is an orange. Okay? So this is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. You can see a and an written with a different color. Okay? We are using a before flower because the word flower starts with a consonant. And we are using an before orange because Orange starts with a vowel sound. Flower consonant से start होता है तो हम A use करते हैं. And orange vowel से start होता है O, उसके साथ हम and use करते हैं. So A and an, these are the articles. These are known as the articles. Now A is used before a word that begins with a consonant. A को हम कहाँ पे use करते हैं? Words जो कि consonant से start होते हैं. That is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So if any of the word start with these consonants, we use A before them. कोई भी word अगर consonant से start होता है उसके साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? We use A with them. Okay? For example, a cow, a beetle. Beetle is a kind of small bug. एक छोटा सा कीड़ा होता है beetle, red and black color का. Okay? So for example, a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. Pearl is moti. Cow, beetle, deer, pearl. All these words start with a consonant. So we use A with these words. ये सारे जो examples हैं सारे words हैं cow, beetle, deer, pearl. ये किससे start होते हैं? Consonant से. So therefore we use A with these words. Okay? An is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. कोई भी word जो vowel sound से start होता है उसके साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? जो word vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U. Any word that begins with a vowel sound, we use an with them. That is any word which begins with A, E, I, O or U. Okay, कोई भी word A, E, I, O या U से start होता है तो उसके साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? We use and with those words. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone and I'm sure you have learnt about A and an earlier also. Okay, for example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter. Otter is a kind of animal. An umbrella. So here you can see apple, elephant, ice cream, otter, umbrella. That is A, E, I, O, U. These are just some of the examples. So any word which begins with a vowel sound, we use an before them. That is, an is used with words that begin with a vowel sound. That is A, E, I, O and U. Okay? So, articles A and an. They are used to introduce a singular noun. Singular noun means when something is only one. Okay? A and an are used when we talk about only one of something. जब हम सिर्फ किसी एक चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं तो उनके साथ हम A या an लगाते हैं. That means we use A or an with the things which we can count. जिन चीज़ों को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, only for those things we can say whether it is one or more than one. Okay? जिन चीज़ों को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं सिर्फ उन्हीं को बोल सकते हैं कि वो 1 है या 1 से ज़्यादा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन से 1 glass, 2 glasses, 5 glasses, 10 glasses. Any number of glasses are there, you can count it. But the things which you cannot count, we do not say a or an. For example, when you take your meal, you eat rice, you eat chapati, you eat dal, vegetable, everything. So can you count rice? Rice को आप count कर सकते हो? नहीं कर सकते हो? नहीं कर सकते ना? You never say, मम्मा गिव मी अ राइस. कभी बोलते हो मम्मी मुझे एक राइस दो? आप कभी नहीं बोलते हो ना. यू से मम्मा गिव मी सम राइस. डू यू एवर से गिव मी अ वाटर? पानी को काउंट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन से गिव मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर बिकॉज वी कैन काउंट ग्लास. सो ए एंड एन आर यूज्ड व्हेन वी मीन ओनली वन ऑफ समथिंग. ठीक है ना. जब हम किसी सिर्फ एक चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं देन वी यूज़ ए और एन. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट अ सिंगुलर नाउन, सिंगुलर मीन्स वन and plural means more than one, which we also know as many. One and many. One is only one, many is more than one. Now see, this is a stall. What is this? This is a stall. Only one stall is there. We are talking about only one stall. Stall means छोटी सी दुकान. We are talking about only one stall. So we say this is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. An umbrella. What is there on the stall? There is an umbrella on the stall. So articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. That means when we talk about anything, जब हम किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, which we can count, the things which we can count it, we use a and before them. Okay, all the things which can be counted, we use a and when we talk about only one. जब हम ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं जिसको कि हम काउंट कर सकते हैं और वो जब सिर्फ एक है नंबर में, तब हम ए और एन यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ यू ऑल नो दैट वी यूज़ ए with the words that begin with consonant and we use an for the words which begin with a vowel sound. Article the we are not doing right now, but the is used to introduce plural nouns. जब हम एक से ज़्यादा के बारे में बात करते हैं, when we talk about more than one, then we use the. A bicycle, the bicycles. An eraser, the erasers. An ostrich, the ostriches. A doll, the dolls. Okay? So I hope children, a and an is clear to you now. Okay, where do we use a and where do we use an? We use a and an for when we talk about only one thing. A, we write a before a word which begins with a consonant, and we write an before a word beginning with a vowel. That means with the words that begin with A, E, I, O, U, that is famous 5 friends, we use an. You can also remember that we use an with famous 5 friends. Who are the 5 friends? They are A, E, I, O and U. They are the 5 friends. So we use an with these 5 friends. And we write A before rest of the letters of the alphabet. अल्फ़ाबेट के बाकी जितने लेटर्स हैं उनके साथ हम ए यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ वी विल बी डूइंग द एक्सरसाइज. द एक्सरसाइज इज ड्रॉ अ ग्रीन कलर लाइन joining the words using A before them, and blue line for the words using and before them. Now here we have to draw a green line for the words which will use A before them, and blue line for the words which will use and before them. So let us first choose green color. From here I will choose green color. Now we have to draw a green line with words which use A. So with apple we use an, with arrow we use an, with lion we use a. So we will draw a green line, a lion. And ostrich, then elephant is vowel, a swing, swing is jhula. Igloo, it begins with a vowel sound, a table, then an umbrella, an egg, a kite. So we are using A with kite, lion, swing and table. That means with rest of the words we will use blue line. So let us choose blue color now. Now an apple, so we will draw a blue line. Then an arrow, we will again draw blue line. An ostrich, an elephant, an igloo, an umbrella, an egg. Okay, so we have drawn green line joining A with the words which begin with a consonant, and we have used blue line to join the words which use and before them. Okay, so I hope this exercise is clear to you. Now next exercise is word building. A and an was the grammar part. Now this is word building. Given below are some words from the poem Alphabet Song. Now fill in the vowels to complete the words. Here some words are given which are used in the poem Alphabet Song. We have to complete the words with vowel. Fill in the vowels to complete the words. So let us choose a color. Let us choose pink color. Now first is, now you have to complete the words by using vowel, and you have to make the words which are used in the poem. जो words poem में आए हैं, the words, these are the words from the poem. Okay, so you have to make the words from the poem only. So what is the first? What would be the first word? First word could be B E S T. A B C D E. The school is the best place for me. That is E. E is a vowel. Second word. Second is A. F G H I J. We will learn and play all day. Then F N. It would be U. F U N. F U N, fun. Okay. U V W X Y Z. Learning is fun. Let us go ahead. Then next is P L A Y. Play. We will learn and play all day. Then S C H. This is double O. A B C D E. The school is the best place for me. The next is F R. This word is not clear, but this is F R I E. This is friends. F R I N E. Friends. This word is friends. P Q R S T. Let us be friends. You and me. Now next is fill in the vowels to make more new words. Here you can fill the vowel to make any word. Like this is B blank double L. Here you can use any vowel to make a meaningful word. You can use B A double L, so it will become ball. Okay. You can use B E double L, bell, जो घंटी होती है. B A double L, ball, बॉल जिससे आप खेलते हो. Then B E double L, bell, जो घंटी होती है. B I also you can use. This is B A double L, B E L L. Then B I L L also you can write, bell. Bell, when you go to the market, you buy something from the shop, the shopkeeper gives you a bill. Okay. Then you can also write B U double L, bull. Bull is the masculine gender of cow. Bull, cow. Okay. B O double L, ball is no word. We use B A double L. So you can, out of 5 vowels, you can use 4 vowels to make meaningful words. B A double L, ball. B E double L, bell. B I double L, bell. And B U double L, bull. Now next is C T Y. Here let us see which vowel can we fill. There are 5 vowels. First is A, C A T Y. It does not make any word. Then A, then comes E, C E T Y. This is also no word. Then A E I, C I, city. C I T Y, city. Okay. C O U T Y, no word. C U T Y is also no word. Okay. Then third is B R D. You can make B I R D, bird. Okay. B A R D is no word. B E R D is also no word. B O R D, B U R D. So the only word is B I R D. Next could be J U M P, jump. Next is W and T. Here you can use E W E T, wet. Wet means gila. Okay. You can also use I W I T, wet. Wet मतलब मजाक करना. ठीक है ना? Wet मतलब मजाक. So you can write E, you can write I also. Next word is C R blank and then W. So here we can use O, C R O W, crow. That is kawa. Next word we can make B A B Y, baby. Then next could be B A D Y. B A D Y is no word. B E D Y, it is no word. B I D Y, no word. This is B O D Y, body. Next word is, this is S K. So this is D E S and K, desk. Desk in your class where you keep your books, notebooks, etc. The next could be M O T H E R, mother, and then F A T H E R, father. Okay. So there are certain words where you can fill only one vowel. Like in some of the words we have seen that only one vowel will come. But there are words where you can use more than one vowel. Like in case of ball. I'll give you another example. For example, you can use T and N. You can use TAN. You can write TEN. You can use ITIN. And you can use O also, TON. So if T and N are given, you have to fill one vowel. So out of these 5, you can use 4 vowel. TAN, TEN, TIN, TON. So in some words, we can use more than one vowel. In some words, we can use only one vowel. Okay? So this was word building. Word building का मतलब होता है कि कैसे हम वॉवल्स या कॉन्सोनेंट्स यूज करके कैसे हम वर्ड्स बना सकते हैं. बिल्डिंग मतलब बनाना. सो हाउ वी कैन build the word using vowels and consonants. Here we have used only vowels. In this manner, we can use consonants also to complete the words. Okay? Some words you can use only one vowel. In some words you can use more than one vowel. So this is known as word building. It means how you can complete the word using vowels. Okay. Now next is talk time. Talk time matlab, that is, talk time is to improve your speaking skill. Okay. When we do any lesson or any poem, what all do we learn after completing the lesson or the poem? Okay? कोई भी हम लेसन या पोएम कुछ भी पढ़ते हैं तो उस लेसन या पोएम को पढ़ने के बाद हमने क्या क्या सीखा. सो व्हाट ऑल वी हैव लर्न्ड अल्फाबेट सॉन्ग. देन इन ग्रामर we learned vowels and consonants. That means how many vowels are there, how many consonants are there. Then we learned use of a and an. हमने a and an का use सीखा. Then we learned how we can make a new word using vowel, how we can complete the word using vowel. And talk time, that is to improve your speaking skill. कि आप किसी से बातचीत करते हो, you talk to someone. So speaking skill, that means to improve the way you talk to someone. उसको और अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश करना. So here you can see we always use please when we request someone for, when we request something, जब हम किसी भी चीज़ के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, then we always say please. Okay, we should say. There are some people who do not say please, but we should say please because we are requesting someone. You have not brought your pencil. आज आप pencil box लाना भूल गए. Now you have to write in the class. How will you write? You will ask your friend to give it. So what will you say? You will say, please आज मुझे एक pencil दे दो लिखने के लिए. I have forgotten my pencil box. So when we make a request, जब हम किसी से एक request करते हैं, we should always say please. This is a good way of speaking. आप जब किसी से प्रॉपर अच्छे तरीके से बात करते हो तो अच्छा लगता है. So you should always say please when you request for something. When you request someone for something, then you should always say please. Like, please give me a storybook. Please shut the door. Please come inside. Please be quick. Please hold my bag. You are requesting someone to give you a storybook. आप अपनी फ्रेंड से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हो कि वो आपको एक स्टोरी बुक दे दे. So you are saying, please give me a storybook. Please shut the door. Maybe you are sitting, you don't want to get up and shut the door. So you are requesting someone, you are requesting your friend to shut the door. So you say, please shut the door. Someone has come to you, your friend has come to your house, you open the door and you see your friend standing outside. So you request her to come inside. You say, please come inside. Your friend is doing some work. You are requesting her to finish the work quickly. So you say, please be quick. Jaldi se kaam kar lo. You are very tired. You don't want to hold your bag. You request your friend. You want your friend to hold your bag. So you are requesting her, please hold my bag. As such, she is carrying her own bag. तो आप उसको ज़बरदस्ती तो अपना बैग दे नहीं सकते हो. तो you will make a request, please hold my bag. So when you request someone, you always say please. You should always say please. Please हमें हमेशा बोलना चाहिए. So children, we have finished this poem, the alphabet song. And now I request you all to see the videos every day. Because when you see the video, then only you will understand what is taught. Abhi to schools are closed right now. We can interact with each other in this manner only. Through online classes only we can interact. I can interact with you all and you can interact with me. Okay, हम तो अभी एक दूसरे को ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में ही देख सकते हैं. So this is my request to you all to see the videos every day. Because if you do not see the videos, then you will not understand what is being taught. And when you see the videos, you will understand. And then next day in the class, you can ask me. Because next day जो क्लास होगी उसमें वो मेनली आपको क्या उसमें नहीं समझ में आया उसको हम डिस्कस करते हैं. Okay children, so I will stop here today and I hope when you see the video you will like it. Okay children, thank you and bye.